Good day everyone, my name is Gerald A. Cabico. Our topic for today is all about management of flea beetles. Table of contents. First, short introduction. Second, 3 species of flea beetles. Third, life cycle of flea beetles. Fourth, how to identify flea beetles. Fifth, why is it important? And lastly, management measure or cultural method. First, short introduction. Flea beetle adults are about 0.13 inches long, shiny, hard beetles. Adults have an enlarged basal segment on their hind legs, which is used to jump when disturbed. Species differ in color and markings. Larvae are pale and slender. Next, 3 species of flea beetles. The first is pale striped flea beetles. Scientific name, Cystina blanda. The pale striped flea beetle has a broad white stripe down each brown wing. Flea beetles can overwinter on weed hosts surrounding fields and in soil and plant residue of previous susceptible crops such as tomatoes and other fruit and vegetable field crop. The second is potato flea beetles, scientific name Ephetrix cucumeris. The potato flea beetle is primarily a pest of potato, but it's also attack cucumber, eggplant, pepper, tomato, and such other plants as jimsonweed, tobacco, large white petunia, ground cherry, and bittersweet. The potato flea beetle adult is small, 1.7 mm in length and 1 mm wide. It is black with brown legs and antennae. The last is eggplant flea beetle. Scientific name, Ephetrix fuscula. The flea beetle causes impact in 2 ways. First, directly as adult eating the leaves and affecting fruit yield. And the second is indirectly by transmitting plant viruses. Also, larvae add to the direct damage by burrowing inside roots, stems, or midribs of leaves, and reduce plant vigor.
Good day. My name is Susan D. Cabico, and my report is all about the life cycle of flea beetles and how to identify this kind of insect. As you can see, the life cycle of flea beetles overwinter as adults in the soil or beneath plant debris. They become active in early spring when temperature reach 50 degrees Fahrenheit and begin feeding on weeds or early planted crops. Adults lay eggs in the soil at the base of host plants in May. Eggs hatch in 7 to 14 days and larvae feed on various plant parts until fully grown. They pupate in earthen cells for 11 to 13 days before emerging as adults. Adult flea beetles are particularly active on warm, calm, sunny days. Depending upon the species, there may be 1 to 3 generations per year. How to identify flea beetles? Flea beetles can be black, bronze, bluish, or brown to metallic gray. Some species have stripes. All flea beetles have large black legs, which they use for jumping, especially when disturbed. Most adult flea beetles are very small, 1/6 to 1/8 inch long. An exception is the spinach flea beetle, which is 1/4 inch long.
Why is it important? Beneficial nematodes seek out and kill all stages of harmful soil-dwelling insects. They can be used to control a broad range of soil-inhabiting insects and above-ground insects in their soil-inhabiting stage of life. More than 200 species of insect pests from 100 insect families are susceptible to these insect predators. Next, management measures culture. 1 is planting schedule. Second, trap crops. Third, companion plants. And lastly, mulches. Thank you.